Hey guys, how are you? So in this video, I am trying to express myself why is English is so important in our environment because there's not more people speaking English because in our environment there is no rules and regulation for any kind of purpose and some people are trying to learn English, but there's a lot of people not getting the way how to learn English with easy way. People are just watching the videos and just telling their inside and heart this is very easy language. But you have to learn English rules, grammar, and first of all, main thing is that vocabulary. Without vocabulary, you'll not learn easily English because if I have an idea how to tell a sentence, but I have not any vocabulary, I'm telling I'm going to where, if I have no idea what to add this on this line, so my sentence was not completed. So this is the important, vocabulary is more important because if you say something about any object, any noun, if you have any not vocabulary, so you'll not able to say something and complete your sentence. Okay, so thank you so much, and just make a courage, make a importance, give an importance of your time and your ability, because many people have ability but they are not going for what can they do, but they are just wasting their time on social media apps, using Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, watching useless videos. So I have to say something. Give some time to on your life, make your journey, boost your confidence, and make abilities and skills. Skills. If you have any skills, you have to not find a job. People find you because your ability will explore you. What are you and why are we hired you? Okay. English learning is also a skill because if you are speaking English and people are also hiring English teachers, English lecturers, English tuition teachers. So if you have a good English, so this is not just of your confident boost, this will also your career will be shine. Okay, so thank you so much, and thank you.